Some severe weather is starting to ramp up. Tornado watch until 11 p.m. tonight for parts of west central Nebraska. And we are starting to see some storms initiate. Here's the setup. We're in a slight risk for parts of west central Nebraska, all of the surrounding areas, and a level 1 marginal risk. And there is a tornado potential, 5% in this brown area. And then around there, a 2%. So the greatest threat for tornadoes will be in that brown area, North Platte, north and south, and a little bit east. Could see some tornadoes, large hail. Hail up to 3 inches in diameter. So that's going to be baseball, maybe even some softball size hail with some of those storms, as we're starting to see a little bit of that starting to happen. Damaging winds 70+ miles per hour. Let's take a look at satellite and radar. They just put a warning on this storm out near Sheridan County, and that is going to be due to some large hail and 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and that's going to continue to move northeast as we go into the next few hours. And so we are going to be seeing some more activity. Let's take a look at that. As we go into about 8:30 p.m., we're going to start to see some scattered to isolated storms, which could get going pretty quickly and become severe. Around 9:30, we're going to see a little line of storms, and that's going to be a good potential for some tornadoes, large hail, and some damaging winds. As we go into about midnight, that's going to try to connect itself together. That's going to become a large hail and a wind threat. And then as we go into about 1:30, that's going to continue to move towards the east, continuing that wind and hail threat. And then 3 a.m. kind of weakens as it moves towards O'Neill, maybe strengthens as it gets just near O'Neill. And then by tomorrow morning, waking up to cloud cover off towards the east, lots of sunshine off towards the west. Now let's talk about the threat for your Monday afternoon and evening time. Still a lot of uncertainty. This cloud cover is going to be playing a part in the morning time, depending on how fast that moves out and how much sunshine we see. You can see about 4 p.m. in the evening time, little scattered storms and showers. As we go into about 5:30, a little line of strong, severe storms just north of Omaha, and that really looks just to stay out towards the east as we go into midnight. Monday looks to all stay off towards the east, but there's still lots of uncertainty. So here's the impact. Some very large hail, damaging winds. A few tornadoes are possible. Timing Monday afternoon and Monday evening. Here's a larger view. 4 out of 5 in Iowa, 3 out of 5 enhanced. Omaha, just east of Lincoln, and eastern Nebraska, mostly in that slight level 2 risk. Tornado potential more into Iowa, especially where those hatch marks are. We could see a few brief spin-ups. Large hail is going to be the main factor. Hail up to baseballs possible, and damaging winds 60 to 70 miles per hour. And so temperatures right now really warm out towards the west, 70s, 80s. Winds out of the southeast, 20 to 25 miles per hour. For tonight, 63 degrees, really mild. Everyone's going to be in the low 60s. Tomorrow, 86 degrees. Gradually clearing as we go into the afternoon. Mid to upper 80s. Dew points, though. There's a sharp cutoff in dew points, which that's where the uncertainty is going to be coming from. All right, so tomorrow we're going to be warming up into the 80s, and then those 70s will continue with some storm and rain chances all through next weekend.